Just purchased the Arb Twin Compressor Kit, and yeah, first time I'm going to test her out. It's already on. I want to do an unboxing on it. First line, you just grab the male end. It just plugs in, you just push it in. Yep, like that. And then get rid of all this tangle. So with the kit, you get a digital air inflator, and with this, you just pull that back and plug it on. So now you're pretty much ready to pump up your tyres. So I'll just turn it. So with the kit, you get the 4 litre tank. So you pretty much turn it on and it fills the tank up, and then you just, it'll cut out when it's full, and yeah, you're ready to go. This air inflator, there's a little button on the side, so if you pump it up too much, you just push that and just lets air out. So with this, the twin compressor kit, you get the twin compressor, the 4 litre tank, you get your main line, which just goes in there like that. You get a little air blower. You get an extension line for your, so if you need to do your camper trailer, it'll reach right down to the back. So with your kit, you get your case that's got the twin compressor, the 4 litre tank, the alligator clips to go on your battery, the digital air tyre inflator, and the extension line for the compressor line. So if you've got a camper trailer, you can reach down the back. You can get it in the kit form, or you can get it fitted to your car. I'm not going to get it fitted to this car because hopefully next year we'll be upgrading. So you can get certain brackets to get it fitted to your car. So great bit of kit. I'll do a comparison to my old pump, which is a Thumper from Kings, and yeah, that's the Arb twin compressor. So I got it from Arb, and it was on special, 20% off, and I got the whole kit for $975.